So, andito tayo sa yan is bridge para sa train. Lakad tayo.
And they could put the bikes and the pedestrians just on there.
Ang ganda, diba guys? Ang ganda siya. Dito yan sa riverside. Yung lakad natin.
Ça va même plus mettre des voitures dessus ici.
We see the train passing in this bridge. It's beautiful. We catch the train passing.
We're happy.
Guys, tignan niyo may bahay doon na nag-iisa lang siya. Dito tayo sa loob ng nature. Dito sa riverside. Lakad tayo.
Ah non, il est là-bas, c'est le même.
So, dadaan tayo dito sa underbridge nito. So guys, dito na naman tayo sa loob ng forest. Lakad tayo. Dami nating makikita mga flowers dito. Tapos may madaming ibon. Yung ibon na naririnig natin ang sound. Super relaxing at doon ang river. Dito lang tayo sa riverside. Continue tayo maglakad sa riverside. Kasi yan ang activity natin for today. Full day tayo maglakad. Hanggang matapos natin ang lalakaran natin dito sa loob ng nature na to. In fairness, maganda siya guys. Yun. Nawala na yung araw. Sayang. Maganda sana pag may araw. Doon yung kanina yung nakita natin. Tapos ngayon naabutan naman natin. Kasi nagpahinga kami kanina. So guys, I have found out that the last part of this walk is in our hotel and we go directly in our hotel. That's it. I thought that we go back in our destination before, but it's not. Man, it's a very nice nice walk here. Calm and sound of the birds you can hear everywhere. It's beautiful. Ayun, may nag-barbecue doon. Yun ang river. Laki ng river dito guys. Tapos lakad lang tayo sa side ng very side ng river. Ang whole day natin dito tayo mag-i-spend. So ayun. Maganda yung daanan dito. Hindi siya maputik. Tapos hindi siya masakit sa paa pag maglakad kasi straight lang siya. Hindi siya pababa pataas. Paikot-ikot pa. Sabi ng nanay matulog na kayo. Hindi siya ganun. Nice ang daanan. Ang ganda ng sound ng mga ibon dito. Dito tayo sa loob ng forest. Yeah, we continue walking and there's a couple there in front of us. They're walking with their dog. See that guys? It's beautiful. In the left side is a river and in the right side is the forest. And it's a very nice walk. Yeah, it's too beautiful here, the view. So guys, tignan ninyo ang ganda. Daming flowers. Nice fresh air and very windy. Ang Ganda ng flowers. And then dito sa side na to is river. And dito is puro flowers siya. Tignan natin. And then may mga farmhouse dito. So guys, may nakita na naman tayong mga flowers dito. Tignan ninyo. Dito lang yan sa tabi ng river. While nagdi-discover tayo ng place. Tignan ninyo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung flowers na to. Super nice. Buong field na to is full of flowers hanggang doon. Ngayon, continue tayo maglakad. May mga iba't ibang flowers dito na tumutubo sa tabi. Guys, tignan ninyo, madami flowers dito sa side of walk natin. Para tayong nasa wedding na mayroong mga flowers dito sa side. Yan. White flowers both side. And then so walk. Super nice. Tapos doon pa mayroong mga flowers doon. And then yung river is calm. Hindi siya maingay. Wow. Beautiful. Guys, tignan ninyo, maganda siya. Kasi napapalibutan siya ng trees, tapos sa center nito ganyan. And then sa side is river. Andiyan yung river. Kita ninyo yung river doon. Tahimik ang river. So guys, we see again a beautiful nature here. It's just beside of the river. And there's a tractor and the farm tractor to do the work. And that's it. It's too beautiful, guys. Wow, beautiful landscape, beautiful view here. Very fresh air and windy and a nice view. It's perfect. Ang ganda ng view. Continue walking. So ngayon sawa ang maglakad sa nature. Dito tayo sa riverside maglakad. And then may nakita tayong ano dito, bridge. Nice house. Tingnan niyo. Cute flowers, guys. Tignan ninyo. Nice.
Like all the zizis.
Nice house. Guys, there's a lot of people doing the camping here near the river. And until there's a lot of people. Continue walking here in the riverside. Very nice, calm, and nice sound of the birds. and plus the river, sound of the river. There's a beautiful nature here. Guys, we lost our road and we will check if it's possible that we can continue in our normal walk there.
Yeah, I think so.
It's beautiful flowers here, violet and yellow. And we continue walking and you see the view, guys. It's beautiful. That's our walk there and going to their direction. Guys, tignan niyo yung ano dito, yung view, super nice. Dito yan sa riverside. Mas lakad tayo. Ito yung nilakaran natin. Super nice. Daming flowers sa side. Guys, tignan niyo gaano kaganda yung landscape dito. Dito lang yan sa tabi ng ano, ng river. Picturean natin. Super nice. Yung may bahay doon. Tapos dito, continue tayo maglakad. Itinand. No, again. We are walking in the middle of the nature here in what is the name of this place? And
No, it's a tour.
both side is beautiful, guys. And this side is beautiful. And this side is beautiful. All landscape are beautiful. Guys, there's a lot of violet flowers here in the roadside. Here, look. And then the nature there, you can see. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Only here in Thurgau, Switzerland. Everywhere is beautiful from there and here. There's a small river in this side and there's a horse. You see how beautiful it is. Super ganda, guys. Yan. Walk tayo dito. It's very windy and now we are crossing to that bridge.